COUNTIF function counts the number of cells within a range that meets the given condition. This function has two arguments with single criteria for test condition. In range argument, select the cell references range from which you want to count non-blank cells. In criteria argument, set the condition in the form of a number, expression, or text that defines which cells will be counted. In range box, select this cell references range, press tab key. In criteria box, click this cell or type tomatoes. How this formula work? Function counts only that cells that have text tomatoes. Click OK. It returns true because this range has only 2 times text tomatoes. As a result, function returns 2 in this cell. Active this cell. Click More Functions arrow button. Click COUNTIF function. In range box, select this cell references range. Press tab key. In criteria box, enter asterisk sign or multiplication operator. Type OTS. By using asterisk sign, function looks up only that text in this range that has last characters OTS. Click OK. Function returns 3 in this cell. Because in this range, text characters has last characters OTS. And that text is in 3 times in this range. So function returns 3 in this cell. Active this cell. Now I check how many cells that have values greater than or equal to $3. Click More Functions arrow button. Click COUNTIF function. In range box, select this cell references range, press tab key, enter greater than sign, enter equal sign, type 3. Click OK. Function returns 8 because 8 cells satisfy the criteria in this range. 8 cells have values greater than or equal to $3 in this range. Active this cell. Click More Functions arrow button. Click COUNTIF function. In range box, select this cell references range. Press tab key. In criteria box, to partial match, enter 4 times question marks 1, 2, 3, 4 and type last 2 characters NS. Function counts number of cells that have total 6 characters with last 2 characters NS on this range. Click OK. It returns 2 because text onions in this range are 2 times, 1 times and second times. As a result, it returns 2 in this cell. Active this cell. Click More Functions arrow button. Click COUNTIF function. In range box, select this cell references range. Press Tab key. In criteria box, type text carrots. Click OK. Now I count number of cells by dividing two formula values. Click in formula bar. Enter division operator. Click More Functions arrow button. Click COUNTIF function. In range box, select this cell references range. Press Tab key. In criteria box, type text onions. Click OK. You have value in this cell is 1.5. This formula counts number of cells from this range 3 and this formula counts number of cells from this range is 2. As there is a division operator between two formulas, Excel divides number of cells and returns 1.5 in this cell. In this way, you can count number of cells by applying criteria in a COUNTIF dialog box in an Excel worksheet.